I've never seen kids so excited to learn fractions. We have 3 units on fractions, and so for them to still have this momentum and this eagerness to work with these numbers, it's amazing.
I like it now. Like, it's just different than before, and now I get it a lot because the way is just like so much easier and more fun.
It's because we've completely changed our routines and procedures. We are working with different sets of materials that allow them to meet the curriculum where they're at.
It's more interactive. You can collaborate more. Like, I like it more this way. Like, I can share my thinking with other people.
And we're seeing them grow so much more and so much faster. We're getting through our material quicker because they're picking it up faster, because we're really going back to the basics and building a strong foundation.
We give them real-life problems to think about and become curious about before engaging them in the actual math that we're teaching them. The last one we did was showing a can of soda with sugar being poured in front of it and a case of soda standing right next to it.
It was a video to get them thinking about something mathematically. And what I like about it is that it allows all kids to participate.
And then they had to figure out or decide, what are they curious about? What do they want to know more about?
It could be as simple as, oh, I noticed that there was a cup of sugar, all the way to, what are they trying to show us with that cup of sugar? After they notice things, then we come up with a question as a whole. So in that activity, it was, how much sugar is in one case of Mountain Dew in cups?
We work in our table groups and work together and try to figure out the problem. Like, you can take things out, like things that can help you. It's like these blocks we use sometimes, or fraction tiles, or draw pictures. Like, sometimes people do it by themselves, but then they share it with the rest of the group, and we use each other's ideas to make like one big idea.
What was interesting about this task is each table came at the answer a different way. So it was about bringing kids up and having them project their work, explain it, talk through it.
And whenever someone draws it out, they're like, oh, I get it now, or like, I drew that, or something, or like, I drew it a different way, and then they go to the Promethean board. And when you explain, you have to like actually prove your answer.
When I do math, I know the answer. The hard part is when somebody asks you, why is that answer the right answer? I can't tell them.
Do children really have a thorough understanding if they can just go through a procedure and get an answer, but they don't know why?
After I know the why, I can think of my own 7 other methods to do it. It opens more ways of thinking.
Explaining it and being able to put it in different words or help someone else arrive at the answer without telling them the answer, it's really extending them to get to the next level and push themselves to think about it a little bit deeper. It's really getting them to exceed what they already know.
When I teach somebody and then they get it, it motivates me. I feel happy because, somebody else knows it. It's not just one person knowing everything.